Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. I want to sit in somewhere different because I'm always sitting at my window. But everywhere else the lighting is bad, right? I've been to my crime scene investigation lectures this morning. I had a 9 till 11 and that's it. It's Wednesday, by the way. Yesterday my day was so full on. I had 9 till 6. However, I may have overslept and missed my first lecture, but that was so accidental. Right, so if you watched my previous vlog, you'll know that I downloaded a new app called Alarmy. And oh shit, maintenance are here. Maintenance were here and they came to test water in our flat. Okay, now they've just tested the alarms as well, apparently. If you watched my previous vlog, you'll know that I downloaded Alarmy, which is an app where I specifically chose to I have to basically take a photo when my alarm goes off in the morning to stop the alarm from going. So I have to physically get out of my bed. And I took a photo of my sink. No, I took a photo of the fridges the other night, and yesterday when my alarm went off I turned my phone off because it was pissing me off so much and I couldn't be asked to get up. It was so stupid. I'm going to be honest, my university life isn't perfect. I didn't wake up on time. I felt so bad for my friend who waits outside for me because obviously she was like, I don't know if Charlotte's coming in, and I woke up at 9:15, so by the time I'd have got ready I would have missed my first lecture anyway. Sorted myself out, went from and did like an 11 till 6 basically, which was so draining in itself. So I don't know how my friends managed to do that 9 AM as well. But that's going to be my Tuesdays from now on, so I won't be vlogging Tuesdays as I'm literally out the entire day. Yesterday I started all the rest of my courses and my crime scene investigation one today. I am liking the sound of everything so far in terms of how everything's split up. I have 50% coursework and 50% exam again. My coursework all seems to be really good though. There's no essays involved. Apart from like, I have a statement to write, an expert witness statement for my forensic lab analysis coursework, which I don't think is actually that bad. But most of mine are assessed practicals, which means all my notes from the lab analysis or practicals will be taken in, as well as like pro formas, reports, and just anything I do in the lab basically. And I'm guessing someone will be watching us too. A little less stressed than I thought I was going to be, because I thought I would have like 9 deadlines like I had last time. I'm still going to have lots of deadlines for online tests, and I have to prepare a lot for obviously my lab practicals more than I did before, because now most of them are going to be assessed. But yeah, at least I found out how everything's going to be like sorted. I am obsessed with my crime scene module already. I've only had 2 lectures today, and even though it was 9 AM when I got there I was like ugh, because 9 AM is such a struggle at uni. I can't even tell you. I used to get up at like obviously 7, half 7 for school, and that was fine. And here getting up for a 9 AM is awful. Like I can't explain it. It's so different at uni. I know a lot of people can do it, but I've been struggling so much. I don't know why. Anyway, my crime scene module isn't so good. I'm so excited. We're the first year that are going to be using the crime scene house that they have on. I don't think it's on site. I'm pretty sure it's off site, and we get transported there. But they're going to be setting up murders, burglaries, just broken entry sort of crime scenes in houses in this house, and we're going to go in and as if it was a real crime scene and take photographs, collect evidence, and fully like act as if it's a crime scene. And we're going to be assessed on that as well. I'm really excited to get in them white suits. That's what I've been wanting to do this whole time I've come to uni. Currently my situation, I think I've said before, I want to do crime scene investigation as a job, but obviously that could change over the next few years when I see different specialisms and experience different parts of forensic science. But yeah, currently I want to be a crime scene investigator because it looks like the most interesting, and my lecturer is incredible. I love her. Yeah, I just really like the way she teaches. It's so much different and more engaging than my other lecturers. She's just experienced because she's part-time CSI, part-time uni lecturer, so she's literally on the job currently. Anyway, now I am back home. I'm writing some blog posts, and then I think we're going to town. I'm fingers crossed hoping the rain stops because it was torrential this morning. I literally had to leave when it was raining so heavy. My umbrella turned inside out. I don't have any coats with hoods on. It was a nightmare. I also have a new video up. It will be yesterday from the time this goes up, so make sure to go check it out. It's either going to be a blogger mail unboxing or a huge food parcels unboxing, so one of those will be up. I've had polls on my Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter. Make sure you follow them or add me. All my socials are in the description bar below. I'm starting to do on Snapchat where I do polls where you like screenshot which one you'd prefer me to upload first or anything you like and stuff like that. You can go help me out and be involved in deciding what videos I upload next if you go follow me on my social medias, because I'm always active on there. every single day. Anyway, yeah, today's going to be full of getting stuff done. I'm going to film it all. We're going to be going to town. I'm going to try and find an outfit. Literally, I have an event tomorrow and I can't find a nice outfit for it, and I'm so stressed out. It's such a first world problems thing, I know. It's not even that deep. I'll just have to rewear an outfit. But I just kind of want like a nice new outfit that's going to make me feel good, because I'm not feeling very body confident at the minute. So yeah, I'm going to go into town with Megan and Hattie and we're going to have a look around. I have a few vouchers that I'm excited to have a look in, but yeah, I need to find an outfit that I'm going to look nice in for tomorrow night. I'm going to meet Chloe for the first time, one of my friends, Anomalous Chloe, on YouTube, and she now blogs, and I love her blog, it's amazing. I'll leave her channel and blog down below so you can go see her. I've been chatting to her over about a year now? No, just under a year, I'd say like 6 months to 9 months. Yeah, I've been chatting to her online. She's so lovely and genuine. You can go check out her videos. Obviously, I'll link them down below. I'm meeting her for the first time because we're going to a blogger event in London, which I'm so excited for. Haven't been to an event since the Moxie Hotel one in November, and I'll be vlogging tomorrow when I go, but I need to pack my suitcase today. So yeah, I'll be packing my suitcase later as well. I'm also taking so many outfits because my boyfriend is my photographer, for those of you that don't know. Most of the time he takes my photos. Because he doesn't mind, but I do feel bad for him. Yeah, he's going to be taking some photos for me because he lives in London, so I'll be up there for the weekend, and I can get some more outfit shoots for my blog, which I'm so excited for. I need some new outfit photos, and I've got a few outfits that I've taken. I've put some in my bag down, but they're there already, but I need to get my like accessories, shoes and bag sorted for the outfits too. Today is going to be a lot of things. Like, literally my to-do list here is so long. So me and Hattie just went to the laundrette. I took my phone because I forgot to take my camera, and to be honest, I had to carry like a lot of things, so I just thought I'd share with you like how you do your laundry at uni, because some people aren't aware, and I definitely didn't know how to do this before I came, and there was no videos online or anyone vlogging like showing the process of getting your laundry, like of doing your laundry at uni, because it was something that I actually worried about before I came, because I didn't really know what to do with anything, to be honest. So here's the clip of me and Hattie going to the laundrette, and then I'm going to insert a clip up in a second when we go back to get it and put it in the dryer as well, just so it gives you a little bit of an insight into that sort of like washing your clothes and how you go about it at uni, because most universities do it through circuit laundry, through like a card system. So yeah, here is how you do it. So I haven't brought my camera out, but me and Hattie have just come to the laundrette. It's literally like a 1 minute walk, isn't it, from our accommodation. I just thought I'd show you what we have to do when we have to like top up our cards and stuff on this little machine. You have to go online first. It's called Circuit Laundry, and you just top up. You have to put at least £5 into your account, and then you have to pop the code into the machine over here, and then you just pop it into the machine. We'll show you how to do it in a second, but I'll just top up my card first. Just £10 to my account, and you just like remove your card, and then we're going to go over to some spare washing machines. The blue machines are the washing ones, and then the pink ones over here are for drying. These are everywhere, obviously you and Megan. Oh no. Right. It's £2.40, which is so expensive to wash your clothes. I think it's just cheaper, isn't it, to dry?
Yeah.
Pull your card out and it starts going. Yeah. There we go. And we've got to come back in 37 minutes to take it out, and we'll put it in the stuff in the dryer, or most of my stuff.
I'll set a timer.
Hey. And now we're going to go to the post office, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're going to go to the post office and get some parcels. Well, Hattie's got a parcel. We got loads of cokes from the post office. They're all in my bag. Hello. Right, I'm absolutely starving, so I'm just about to eat some of my chocolate pretzel dippers from my Graze box. The day before you're watching this, I've just uploaded a video and a blog post. My video is on all of the food deliveries that me and Hattie got the other day. They're 2 subscription boxes. One is Grays, which you've probably heard of before, and another is Degusta box, which a lot of people haven't heard of. I'm going to leave my discount codes down below because you can get the Degusta box for $5.99. It's insane. I'm going to leave my video as well so you can see what's inside the January box and see if it's like up your street, and you can get it for February. But then the boxes are usually $12.99 a month anyway, which is so good for the stuff that you get inside. You get between 10 and 15 food and drinks and like snacks and all that sort of thing, a complete range of things. And if you use my code down below, you get 50% off, which is insane. So you get 10 to 15 different products for £6, and I just can't believe how good it is. Me and Hattie paid £6 for our first box because we found someone else's code. And I just can't believe it. Honestly, you're gonna have to go and watch my main channel video, so you can see what was in there and what we got for £6. It's so good, especially for university students. If you're wanting to try something new and you like food and drink, then you'll definitely like this subscription box. So yeah, go check that out. And we also got a free Grays box each with our university accommodation addresses, and I'm just about to snack on these before we head out to town. We're gonna go to town. I need to find an outfit, like I said earlier, and do a few things and have a look around. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat these.
We need those like
yeah, no, that is the cutest cup I've ever seen. Oh yeah, I saw them last time we came in. I really love these. Like, how cute are these? I like proper. I just said they were attractive. I'm actually obsessed with this range. Like, look, sorry, look at that makeup bag. Like, how cute.
make this up.
I'm obsessed with it. I need it all. Sophie, if you're watching, Paige Chase have an entire like bride section, and it's so cute.
Or a shirt you can wear with it.
I have a shirt actually. Well, you can help me when I get home. What is check? So we just finished off in town. I bought some shit from Primark, but now we're heading back. What are we doing? What are we gonna do? I need to pack my suitcase for tomorrow, but then after that I'll be fine. I need to try on my outfit again just to make sure it's okay. Okay, so my camera's not focusing, but
Oh no, exciting.
it is literally super late. I'm so sorry I haven't really vlogged today. I've been panicking so much because everything had to be squeezed into such a short amount of time, but I've just finished packing my bag. I've got my books and my planners in this like zip section, and then all my outfits that I'm going to be shooting this weekend, as well as my outfit for tomorrow night. I managed to find something, so you'll see in tomorrow's vlog what I actually got, but I'm going to quickly get into the shower and I'll catch up with you in 2 minutes. It's literally 1 o'clock. Right, so I think I'm going to end today's vlog here. I have just cut myself multiple times in the shower, which is lovely. So yeah, that's how my evening has ended up. It is now 1:30. Finally sorted my suitcase out, done all the things I needed to do. Apologies for this is how you're going to see me end the vlog, because this is not pretty at all. I'll see you tomorrow for a travel vlog to London, and I'm going to be going to that event tomorrow, so make sure you stick around, because 1, it'll be the first time I'm meeting Chloe, and 2, I'm going to be going to an event and it sounds amazing, so fingers crossed it's going to be good. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed today's vlog. Sorry I didn't show as much packing as I intended to. Subscribe down below if you're new. See you again in tomorrow's vlog. Night.